What's up guys? So today I'm in San Diego and visiting my friend Dustin Williams, and he's gonna let me drive this beautiful R33. And here's Dustin right here.
What's up guys? What's up Dai? Thanks for coming, dude. I'm super excited for this.
Thanks for having us.
Of course, man. This is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, so could you tell us about the car?
Yeah, of course, absolutely. So this is my 1996 Midnight Purple R33 GT-R. This is kind of like my daily driver out of all my modified cars. This is the one that I drive the most. It's super fun, it has all the power that you need while still being really comfortable for highway driving and stuff like that. So right now, it's pretty much full bolt-ons. It has a little bit of spice with the Greddy twin turbo upgrade, which is super awesome. HKS coilovers, and it's got little bits of Nismo JDM pieces here and there. So if you're like a JDM head like I am, you'll know what you're looking at. It's super fun. The car makes about 350 horsepower on low boost, and in high boost makes around 450. So like I said,
that's
super fun to drive. Yeah, just enough power to like have fun on the freeway, but also just reliable, fun driver.
And it's comfortable,
And it's comfortable, of course. But yeah, we've got some nice grid seats on the inside, and even the passenger has like a nice little armrest, something like nice and cozy in the car.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, super fun.
Cool, can't wait to drive it.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome, let's do it.
Cool. All right, let's do it. Damn.
This is it, brother.
This is it.
Look, I'm telling you about my little armrest. Look at this.
Oh,
Passengers are comfy up in here, man.
That's cool.
Have you ever seen a bridge seat like this?
No.
It's pretty sick, right?
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah, we're hanging out.
Is it the same type of seat?
No, so this, I have another one, but I just like the feel of this Brid one. And it's kind of like sentimental to me because I've got this one in Japan at a Super Auto Box. So I kind of wanted to bring a little bit of that. Yeah, yeah. When I was there for an auto salon in 2019.
Oh wow, okay. It's really good fit.
Yeah, it feels nice, right?
It feels really nice.
There you go.
Oh man, feels solid.
Feels solid, right?
Yeah.
A lot of people tell me on my channel that this actually has the Ferrari F40 Brembo brake upgrade.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so this car does have a big Brembo brake kit on it, but we're not sure where it came from. I thought that it would have been the 370Z Brembo kit, but apparently the 370Z didn't come with it.
You didn't know when you get it?
No, so we got this car from auction, and we didn't find out until after the auction all of the different modifications that this car had. Yeah.
I like the sound, man. It's so calm.
Yeah, it's very clean. But
you can talk totally no problem.
Exactly, but the best part about it is whatever you actually get on it, it completely changes into like a different animal. It's so awesome. It's like the perfect amount of daily drivability with like being a fast car, but also being a car that you can totally drive every day and like not be too obnoxious in.
Right.
You know?
Oh ho ho! I was like, back it up.
Opens up a little bit, right?
Oh ho! Nice.
Yeah, so this
feels solid.
Yeah, so this is actually just low boost.
I love it. I love it already.
As far as like the bolt-on stuff go a little bit more in depth, we did a Fujitsu titanium exhaust. And then this also has the Mines equal length headers. And then it has the Greddy twin turbos, which is super awesome. The car is super fun. The cool thing about it is, like I said, when we got it from auction, we had no idea that it had any of this stuff. So it was like a cool surprise, you know?
How many miles on it?
It had like 120,000 kilometers.
Okay, and then you changed the cluster to a little bit higher mileage.
Correct, yeah. So the cluster is the actual, the old logo Nismo cluster, which I was super hyped about. We actually were able to find one. It goes really well with like the nice Nismo LMG T2s. So did you modify cars and stuff when you were in Japan? Like, were you a car guy in Japan?
Yeah.
What was your favorite, your first car? What was your first car?
AE86.
No way! Oh my gosh.
I'm like a stereotype drift guy.
No, that's so sick. Do you still have it?
No.
Oh man.
Back then, 86 was so cheap. My first car was like $200. And it's ready to drift. Yeah.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
200 bucks?
But now it's like 20,000 bucks,
Yeah.
right? It's crazy, man.
That is nuts, Dai.
Because that was like a before initial the comic came out.
Okay,
That's
okay,
why that comic, after the comic, it's just
That's awesome.
crazy everywhere.
What's your favorite car that you've owned in Japan?
Still 86.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I have a couple 86 right now.
That is so cool.
Yeah, that's the reason. So still till this date, my favorite car is A86.
That is so awesome. Did you ever own any GTRs while you were in Japan?
GTRs? You say?
Yeah.
No, I wish.
No GTRs?
No, man. But I had an R32 4-door GTS.
Oh, nice. Okay. So you did have a Skyline. Did you drift that?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
So like having GTR is like almost like a golden at the time, right?
Right.
So never even like thought about getting one at the time.
Did you see a lot of GTRs when you were in Japan?
Yeah. Because
That's
my
so cool.
generation was like after R33 actually. R34 came out brand new at the time. Like I was getting like a driver's license.
Right. Was that like as big as everybody thought in Japan, like the R34 and stuff? Yeah. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, hasn't been changed.
See what you think.
Nice.
Yeah.
And it's in low boost right now.
That's low boost, yeah. I'll put you in high boost now so you can check out high boost. So yeah, we have the Greddy Profect boost controller, which allows us to turn it on high boost to low boost whenever we want to. So want to have a little bit of highway fun, put it on high boost and she's good to go. But yeah, it's a massive difference going from low boost and high boost, man.
Really?
Yeah, you're gonna love it. How does it feel to drive a GT-R in California, being from Japan, like having a right-hand
Like
drive
I said,
car?
it's confusing for, that's the main thing for me. Because, I'm so used to drive right-hand drive in Japan, which is like, you're gonna drive in a left lane.
Right.
But it's opposite, so it's so, yeah.
How long ago did you move to the US?
It's been over 10 years. It's been like 12 years.
Wow, so it's really not even that long.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh,
gosh.
Did I hit?
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my God. That sounds not good.
I know. The roads are terrible.
What the hell? Did I break anything?
No, we're okay. We're okay.
I don't wanna. It sounds so crazy.
I know, it's crazy, man.
Nice. Wow.
She picks up and goes, man.
Yeah.
For being a big car, it's like fun.
And like you say, like once you step on a gas and then boost kicks in,
Yeah.
the sound
It
changes.
screams.
Yeah,
It's awesome,
that's the dopest part of this car,
Yeah.
man. Yeah.
It's like very, very subtle when you're just cruising around, but then once you actually get on it, it's a completely different animal.
You got the car from Japan.
Correct.
In auction, right?
Correct.
Through Top Rank.
Yes, through Top Rank. So I got all my cars from.
How hard to find this car? Especially this is like midnight purple.
So funny you ask, because like
Yeah.
the midnight purple, the R33 is actually the most common color. The midnight purple is the most produced color for the 33.
Is that right?
Yeah. So there's more 33s than anything. The rarest color for a 33 is black.
No
Yeah.
way,
How crazy is that,
really?
right? Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I mean, like the process in and of itself of getting a JDM car like an R33 really isn't that hard. I mean, because there are companies out there that import these and do the paperwork and do all that stuff for you. So like finding the car isn't hard. Finding the color and the spec and stuff that you want can be hard. But as far as the midnight purple goes, it really wasn't that bad. So it was between the midnight purple and the white. But I thought to myself, I have a 32, I have a 33, I have a 34, 35. And I have a 35 in the Millennium Jade. I already have a 34 in the white. My 32 is black. I was like, I need the midnight purple. It's such an iconic GT-R color that I had to get it. So I'm also really happy that I did, because I mean the white Nismo LMGT2s like really set this car off like as an iconic R33.
Perfect combo, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And so don't have to do too much to it. It's like perfect as it is, and it's fun.
Wow. I didn't know Midnight Purple was
Right, a lot of people figure, yeah, a lot of people figure that it's
like
the hardest car to get, right? Yeah, no, it's actually the most produced in the R33.
Oh my god, I learned something today. All right, thank you so much for letting me drive your nice lady.
Of course,
and
of course.
You told me this is your first time letting anybody else drive.
Yes,
which
it was the first one, Dai.
Means a lot. Thank you
Of
so
course,
much.
there's no one I could think of better to drive this car than freaking Dai, the insane
You don't have to say
driver.
that, but thank you. But man, that was great, and I think I'm getting the car back to your shop nice and safely.
Yes, we did good. We did good. No,
right.
no oopsies.
Thank you so much.
Of course, Dai.
All right, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Jenny.